July 16, 2021, Pitamaha Patriji's handwritten message at Raipur. These are the excerpts from the book Messages from 40 Masters, and the subject of this message is Narada II. I did not meditate to become a Chiranjeevi. I meditated to get access to other worlds and knowledge of traveling from one dimension to another. My whole aim of traveling from one dimension to another was to attain knowledge from the various existing masters. The knowledge that I have attained in the manner is as follows. Number 1. Masters are operating at various levels. Each has a task of creating, maintaining, and continuing new systems, and remaking and remodeling the various already existing systems. Number 2. Another set of masters are interested in carrying out individual ventures of their own, either in the fields of their own particular self-knowledge or by helping people existing at various levels. Number 3. As there are creative cells, similarly there are destructive cells, actively wanting to hamper creative cells' activities. This is the place where I have found for myself fascinating work, for I have two opposite sides to work on. After all, both are a part of me. This has been my achievement. In your various stories, people unduly name me as Kalaha Priyadu. But no, I was a person who has learnt all about the self-knowledge through resolving kalahas. The law of karma has only one principle. The principle is there to help you to learn, understand, and imbibe quality in yourself eternally. The moment you have learned this truth, the law of karma does not have any bearing at any stage. It is learning and nothing else on which the entire system of growing, creating, and helping works. Our overself is our ultimate. We are his underselves. And for our own underselves, we are overselves. In this basic system, we, that is you and I, live, exist, and resolve ourselves in various incarnations. In this system, each of us is on various tasks at various given times. And we also might be doing the same tasks on some of our other selves. The sole purpose of such existence is perfection, the perfection of ourselves in the quest for the overself's perfection. The overself sends us on various missions. He duplicates some of the tasks which he prefers perfection, accuracy, and quality. The overself sends out tentacles of his consciousness to all his underselves, and from each tentacle he learns in return. Such is the system. It is like this. The first step is a hypothesis, the second a laboratory test of the hypothesis, and finally conclusion from each test. See how intricate the system is. The overself helps you with the knowledge on the one hand, and he also learns from you on the other hand. This is the system. On one level, you are the overself's tentacle, and on other level, you are overself. Pretty confusing, yet that is the truth. This was excerpted by Patriji from the book Messages from 40 Masters by C. Aruna. For more updates, keep watching PMC English. Like, share, and subscribe this video.